All right, welcome back to Hotor's Chronicles, where we go on this journey called Life Together, and I am so excited about our next unboxing of shooting gear here. It is outstanding. I can't wait to share it and show with you what we got. Yep, there's the first box, and yes, I got it from Amazon, so let's make sure you get everything you need in boxes, right? You know how it is. But ooh, heavy. I'm gonna throw that on over to the side. And let's see, you're talking about heavy, but that's important and why we got it, why you need to know about it, all right? Well, what do we have here? We have a Highwild AR500 steel hostage target set here. Armored bullseye, I'm talking about, and it's reactive. And it's a reactive shooting target with a T post bracket, okay? We're gonna talk about that. We're gonna break it all down. And I spent roughly $179 or $180 on this particular item from Amazon. Now, Highwild, this is my first time doing it, getting it, so I just wanted you to see what we got here. I'm gonna turn it on its side so you can see what I mean by the label, but we're about to unbox this thing so you can see exactly what's going on. Let's go ahead and take a look and see. All right, what do we have here? Okay, first off, we have some safety rules, which is very important. We always want to make sure we have our safety rules on. And if you want to learn more about the safety rules, we'll talk about that in another video, okay? But let's go ahead and continue our unboxing efforts here. Okay, more stuff here to keep everything in place here for packaging. Makes sense, right? And let's see what else we got here for that. And let's take this out. Okay, all right. This is the bracket here. I guess we'll start off with the bracket first. Well, this bracket, what's great about this bracket is that, one, the metal material, the steel that it's made out of. But the second part about it is it's adjustable for both a steel bracket as well, a steel post, as well as a wooden post. Now, that also adds to the, yes, adds to the versatility of using it, but also it's kind of heavy, which adds to the weight of the overall piece, making transporting it a little bit of a challenge. But let's keep going. Now let's get into the main event. You talking about heavy, yo. This is not light by no stretch of the imagination. But anyway, so more wrapping here. And that's it from out of the box. Now I'm gonna show you a video. Oh, look at here. Let's talk about this here. Wow, you talking about heavy. All right, you talking about this target here. It has a swivel. You talking about this is a 4-inch and 6-inch hole. So you talking about for precision. What I also like about it is this ding. Since it's steel, when you shoot it and hit, you get that ting ting sound. So you can see what I mean. Let's go ahead and, since you're hitting metal, you'll hear that sound. So that gives you that instant reaction so you know exactly what's going on, all right? Now, let's go a little further here. What do I mean by swivel? Let's take it out a little bit more here so that you can see exactly what we're talking about here. Now, check out our other videos on actually set up and using it and all that other good stuff. Right now, we're just going to show you what I'm talking about here fairly quickly. Ooh, talking about heavy. So what do I mean here? So as you can see here, it's orange on this side. Well, when I laid it down, it was orange. It's orange. But when you hit it and the gravity takes it, when you hit it, it actually, it moves it to the yellow side. So you can see what's going on there, all right? So now when you hit it, you know, okay, hey, I hit it. You can tell because you get that instant reaction. One, the sound. The second thing you will hear, or you will actually see, it goes to a totally different color. A totally different color. I hit the plastic, but anyway, and it's also on the wood table there, so it's absorbing some of the sound. But hearing it and then seeing the change from going from green or light greenish yellow, whatever, to orange here. So you can see exactly without having to get up close and pull it all back. you can know exactly what's going on and all of that good stuff. Now, let's talk about, so that's the pros for versatility. What I like about it is, one, is for both wood as well as steel posts. Two, is also versatile for both pistol, rifle, as well as shotgun. Now, you got to make sure you're at the right range and use right distances, and make sure it's angled at a certain way so the bullets can go down versus going all over other places and things of that nature. So you want to make sure you have that. Now, so it's easy to set up. So that's another good thing, a real good thing. Durable. We have the right steel that it is able to absorb it, take the punishment, and keep ticking. So that's another good thing, right? So it's very, very good that we have that. Now, some of the cons to this is that it's heavy. As I keep saying, it is heavy. So you ain't gonna want to move this all the time, every day, all day, right? So, you know, moving is a little bit of a challenge. The other thing about it is you want to make sure that the price is also a little bit high. $180 for just this. You still got to buy the steel post for it, and if you're going to do some other targets, you got to also have that. So if you want to see some other targets and more about that, watch some of the other videos that we have on the channel. But this is $180 for just this right here. But it's also quality pieces, okay? Now, also now for a beginner, these are kind of, you know, if you're trying to hit this target right here, these are kind of small. That's 4 inches and then it's 6 inches. So you don't have a lot of room for error. But bottom line is that, hey, for somebody who's more used to accustomed to shooting, this is still a great tool. And as you graduate from the beginning stages to more, hey, you got it. And as a beginner, you can still hit this part. As you graduate, get it better right here. Now, hey, let me know what you think. Have you used this before? Does this brand work for you? What are some other brands that are out there that you use or like? Maybe this doesn't. Let me know your thoughts. Also, hey, like, subscribe, and comment if you want to learn more, see more shooting gear, safety, etc. Then, hey, come back to the channel. Let me know your thoughts. Share, comment for me, all right? Thanks.